A call for help is ringing throughout small communities here in Nebraska,
which really takes them from a childcare desert to almost a childcare oasis.
There are 9 counties in the state with no licensed childcare. That's according to Nebraska Children and Families Foundation. As the childcare crisis spans over the state, rural areas say they are being hit the hardest. Channel 8's Annie Alman explains how they're working to put their kids first.
In a town of just under 1,000 people, Friend Learning Center President Katie Spahn tells me everyone in the community feels the effects of a childcare crisis. Now the town is coming together and getting creative to help address this need for families.
I said goodbye to my grandma in one of the rooms that will be a classroom, and to now be able to maybe one day see my grandchildren in those rooms is so meaningful, and is the reason I get up every morning and want to push further to make sure that this gets done.
The town of Friend is one of the many rural areas desperately trying to find child care resources for kids. This is something Nebraska Children and Families Foundation says is a problem that's becoming too common in smaller towns across the state.
That comes up is that we cannot hire our candidate of choice. We have people leaving the workforce because of the lack of childcare, and not just spots, but quality childcare, a place that families can feel that their children are safe, that they are learning, that they are nurtured, and that they are meeting all those developmental milestones.
The organization works with small towns like Friend to attract more providers and keep kids local.
We had numerous employers that were offering positions and were not able to fill them because the employees didn't have a place to take their kids here in town.
After the largest child care provider in the town closed its doors, 99 kids are now without child care. This brought Spahn to the Friend community health care system, which wasn't utilizing their entire space.
Largely, it is the emergency room only that is utilized, and that freed up a lot of space within the hospital for other opportunities for economic expansion.
And that means on-call provider rooms will be turned into classrooms. 4 separate licensed family home centers will all be using the space with a capacity of 48 kids. Spahn says there is more work that needs to be done.
The community are at a place where we're dying, and we don't want to be in that position. We have a lot of very proactive people in Friend Nebraska that want to invest and make this town better, and this is an important way in which we're able to do so.
And the Learning Center plans on opening in August of this year to welcome kids in the community who have been waiting for education. Reporting in Friend, Annie Elming, Channel 8 News.